That's Christopher Ebley. I'm the Chief Technology Officer with Blackwood. Blackwood was actually Gigamon's first partner before they were ever shipping product. And we've been involved in a huge amount of rollouts, both in the US public sector as well as on the private sector side, Fortune 1000 enterprise. So we're about a 50-50 to 60-40 split any given year, US public sector, so civilian, Department of Defense and intelligence community, and then Fortune 1000, really Eastern Seaboard, focusing on highly regulated and compliant customer sets. Zero trust from a Blackwood perspective is just something that's kind of holistically absorbed. We ourselves are wholly cybersecurity focused, so it becomes kind of a key component of the bread and butter kind of practices as we go forward. So within our digital identity practices, within our network security practices, within our security operations practices, being able to deliver on the needs of zero trust kind of become a critical component of that. Gigamon has a really unique perspective in terms of being able to deliver high fidelity kind of visibility into the network. When you look at zero trust as it pertains to the network, there are really two different lenses that I look at this from. One is the network is the only thing that's truly authoritative when you look at everything that's actually traversing the endpoint. Technology is phenomenal, but there's limitations in regards to where those footprints can exist. So when you look at all-encompassing things like IoT, OT technologies, and other things that you might see sprawl, the only place you're going to be able to see and secure those things is on the network. On the other side of things, zero trust itself represents a fundamental shift in regards to architectures and how things are rolled out. And so when you look at things from that perspective, you need to be able to validate not only that you're doing that the thing's been rolled out, but it continues to be effective and that people aren't able to circumvent those controls. And the only way you're going to see that as well is on the network, in a literal sense, seeing how a packet moves.